Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a dual apps on Android. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this instance, I want to make a dual application of Facebook. So I want two Facebooks on my mobile device. From here, we need to go to our Play Store. So head over to our Play Store and do a search for, it's called Dual Space, and then hit enter. And then from here, we want to click onto this one here that says multiple accounts, dual space. It's got 50 million downloads and 338,000 reviews. So this is the app that we want to download and install. So go ahead and click on install. That's going to download and install it onto your device. And once it's installed, go ahead and open up the app. All right, so once you've opened it up, go ahead and click on agree and continue. Then you'll be greeted to this page here. And now, so we want to run another instance of Facebook on my device. So we want to go in and click on Facebook and I'll say adding now, please hold. And then you might get this note for Facebook to run correctly. Please grant these permissions, phone number on Facebook. I'm going to do that. I'm going to click allow. Then from here, simply log in to your Facebook account or whatever application and use that other app as a dual instance